Hi, this is Andy with NMS Imaging. Today John's going to show us how he sets up field validation for credit card numbers in ReadSoft Forms.
I'd like to go over credit card number validation with ReadSoft products. A credit card number is comprised of a number of digits, the first 6 of which identify the card provider. The last digit is a check digit. So if we know what the number is, we can look and see if it starts with a 4, it's a Visa card. If it starts with a range between 51 and 55, then it's a MasterCard. And if it starts with a 34 or 37, it's an American Express card. Now we can use that information to determine what kind of card it is if that's something that's valuable for us, and we can then garner that information from the number itself. In this case, we're just going to validate that we have an accurate credit card number in the Forms product. So we have it set up for a numeric capture of handwritten data, and we're going to look for a valid number to be between 15 and 16 characters. We don't have the must be filled in checked because this particular customer doesn't require a credit card. They can also pay with a check. On the demand fields, we also have the credit card month and year, which are going to be required for processing a credit card. So if the credit card number is filled in, we want to verify that we have a credit card month, and with the year as well. If the credit card's filled in, we want to validate the year. Also, we have the check number here. So in the event that the credit card number is not filled in, it's empty, then we want to verify that we have the check number. So to put our validation script in, we go to the Events tab, we click the New button, and the event type that we're going to use is Field Complete. Now, the on-field complete event fires when the validation operator is finished with the field, they're hitting the tab key or moving on to another field. At that point, we would run this code. Now, when we click on the code button, it just gives us a short little template. I find it easier to get a predefined code that we've already used on other form types and just copy this and paste it into place. So we're going to select it, copy it, and then we'll replace this function with our previously used function. Okay, now that that's in place, we're going to compile it. If it doesn't compile, we'll have some errors that show up here. But since we've used this before, we know it's good and it works fine. It's compiling. Then we want to save and exit. And that's it. We have our function all done.
Thanks, John. If you'd like to learn more about ReadSoft products, including forms, documents, invoices, or workflow, feel free to contact us, 804-419-4138. Thank you.